as I was saying, it's going to be beyond a full rotation. So 1 full rotation would be 6 pi over 3. We need to go to 7 pi over 3. So that would be like there. Now, how much further did we go? We went to 7 pi over 3. 1 full circle was 6 pi over 3. So we went an additional pi over 3. That would be our reference angle here. Another way you can do it is to find a coterminal angle. So you can do 7 pi over 3 minus 1 full rotation, which is 6 pi over 3. And that would give you pi over 3. You would know it's in quadrant 1. So when it's in quadrant 1, that is your reference angle. All right, let's try 7. We'll try 7, 8, and then 12. So 7, negative 315. Again, you can choose any coterminal angle to mess with. So if I was doing this problem, I would find a positive coterminal angle that I'm familiar with. So I would add a full rotation, plus 360 degrees. Now when we do that, we get 45 degrees. Now we know what a 45-degree angle looks like. We go right there. It's in quadrant 1. And when it's in quadrant 1, it's just that angle. That is your reference angle. So our reference angle will be 45 degrees. All right, negative 3 pi over 4. Again, I just want to have a positive angle to work with. So I'm going to find a positive coterminal angle. So I'm going to add 1 full rotation here. And remember, 1 full rotation is 2 pi. But we're going to have the same denominator. So if they were both fourths, this would be 8 pi over 4, which would give us 5 pi over 4. So if we think of our graph now, and we were doing fourths of pi, remember 180 degrees is 1 pi. So this would be like 4 pi fourths, which means this would be half of it, 2 pi fourths. And here's 0, so 2, 4, 6 pi fourths. So our angle is going to end up going beyond 4 pi fourths to 5 pi fourths. So remember what a reference angle is. It ends at the same place, and it forms an acute angle with the x-axis. How much further did it go beyond 4 pi over 4? It went 1 more pi over 4. So that would be our reference angle, pi over 4. Or if you want to use the formulas, it's in quadrant 3, so you could do our angle, which was 5 pi over 4, minus pi. And pi would be 4 pi over 4. We essentially did that. So the last one I want to go over from this section is number 12, pi. So we need the reference angle for pi. Now, if you think of pi, pi is right over here. It's right on that quadrant. So if it falls right on a quadrant, there isn't a reference angle. So you would just say none. Let's see what else we can get before I run out of time here. Rewrite each measure in radians and each radian in degrees. Yeah, we can crank out a couple of these. Let's do 270 degrees. So 270 degrees. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Let's think of that over 1. We're trying to get rid of degrees, so it would go in the denominator, and the pi would go on the other side. Again, it's pi radians. Don't worry about that. Now, I see they both end in 0, so they're both divisible by 10. So let's think of 27 and 18. What goes into those? Well, 9 goes into both of those. 9 goes into 18 2 times. 9 goes into 27 3 times. So we're left with 3 pi over 2. So we'll knock out a couple more in the next video.